Does Scotchgard fabric water shield protection really do its job protecting this microfiber fabric? Can it protect against coffee, tea, dye stains, water? Well, let's find out. We're going to be doing a review of this 3M product, Scotchgard Fabric Water Shield Protection. It says it lasts a long time. As you know, we've done reviews on different Scotchgard products to keep your furnishings in your home clean. We're going to see if this actually works. We're going to do more than just put water across it. We're going to compare it to the other side of this microfiber pillow, which has not been protected, and we're going to use tap water, some dye and yellow water to mimic a pet accident. We're also going to use hot black coffee and hot black tea. Heat is what penetrates the Scotchgard almost readily, depending on how much you put down in the fabric you're talking about. So we'll get to it right now. What we've done to prepare for the test is we've cleaned this microfiber cushion on both sides. It's completely dry, and we put 2 coats of the Scotchgard product on just this side. The bottom side has not been protected. We're going to see a comparison, see how this do-it-yourself product works. If you have questions or comments at the end of the video, please leave them below, and there's a link to these products from our affiliate page in the comment section. So something as simple as plain water. You pour it on, it pretty much should roll right off. Let's see what happens. Well, it rolls off, but that's 2 good coats I put on there, and it's not really rolling off as much as I would have thought. It's nice that you can go ahead and blot some of this up, but it should not penetrate. That's just room temperature water. Hot tea, I suspect, is going to penetrate almost immediately. Well, not bad. It rolls a little bit off, but again, you want that to really roll right off. This is hot black coffee. Same thing. We'll do it up here now. Absolutely penetrated right in, almost as if the piece wasn't protected. That doesn't mean, because it doesn't roll off, that you have no protection. But Scotchgard also, in addition to increasing the surface tension of a fabric, makes it cleanable by coating the fiber. So when you clean it, it should clean up better. But let's go to the unprotected, see if there's a difference. Again, plain water. This is unprotected. Definitely less protection here than on the protected side. This hot tea again, no repellency at all on this side, and we'll just go with the hot coffee, just a little bit there immediately. So you are getting some protection from the Scotchgard product, not as much as I'd like to see though. And again, this is the yellow dye. Basically, immediately sucks right into the piece. Again, this piece, this is regular microfiber. A lot of people have it in their home. It's made with clothing too. It should clean up fine. This is made to help the cleanup in between professional cleanings, but I expected more from the Scotchgard, to be honest with you. I did not expect this. We did not pre-test in advance, so we didn't know what it was going to happen, but looks like what we have. A moderate thumbs up, I would say, for this. It gives you some protection, but you have to decide, for the money you pay for this and the time it takes you to do it, is it worth it? Questions, comments, please leave them below. We'd love to hear from you. If you have a product like Scotchgard you want us to review, let us know. We'll try to get our hands on it and do a review for you. And don't forget, if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. Maybe hit that subscribe button with that little bell, and you'll be notified next time we upload. Thanks again for watching.